Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I hope all is well with each and every one of you all. So let's get right into it. All right, for those of you who have been following me, I did a preview on what was to be next as far as a DIY video. So this is it, y'all. Okay, the pieces that I'm going to be using in this bag are the teardrops. So I have two, I guess you could say, I'm not going to say large teardrops, but they're like a medium-sized teardrop, and two small wood pieces. Now, I'm going to be doing, this project is going to consist of me doing a couple of different parts, okay? I also am going to be wearing my gloves, y'all, because of my nails. I don't want to really mess my nails up, so I'm going to have on my gloves. And these are just the items that you will need. I'm going to be using 3 colors of paint. I'm going to be using this Jack Black, this gloss, and this turquoise blue, okay? And you're going to need, these are going to be post earrings, so you're going to need 2 posts. Now, you don't necessarily have to make these post earrings. You can make these earrings and put fish hooks in them, but I'm going to show you how to use the posts, okay? I have a 3x3 piece of wood. You can find this at Walmart. Walmart has this, okay? You're going to need some fabric. So I have 2 pieces of African print fabric. You're going to need some glue, whichever glue you have, whether it be E6000, Gorilla Glue. You're going to need some glue. You're also going to need a coral shell. You're going to need some scissors, some paint brushes. I have 2 paint brushes here. You're also going to need I don't think you're going to need this, a Sharpie. You may not need the Sharpie. I don't think so. And you're going to need your handy dandy glue gun, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this project, okay? So the very first thing that I'm going to do, I'm gonna set all this other stuff aside, is I am going to paint my 2 pieces. Now I'm going to paint my pieces. Both of my pieces are going to, one is going to be painted, no, both pieces are going to be painted black. Okay, so I'm going to be using this paint right here. And this is the matte finish. And also, I forgot to mention that I will be using, okay, y'all, I am so sorry. Y'all know I have a little, anyway. This is the Mod Podge that I'm going to be using, the matte. There is a difference with the Mod Podge that has a gloss and this Mod Podge here, okay? And I'm not going to explain it in this video, but this is what I'm going to be using to finish off my wood pieces. Now, if you hear something going on, that is my air conditioning going on. It's going to be on and off, y'all, so I'm hoping that everybody can hear me. And I just ripped my glove, but it's all good. I literally really ripped my glove. But anyway, so remember my little case right here, y'all? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my wood piece. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller brush, and I'm going to paint these, and then I'm going to set them off to the side so they can dry. Paint the whole entire piece, front and back. And you can give it as many coats as you want. I'm only doing one coat. And see, this is why I said I have wearing my gloves so that my fingernails won't get messed up, because if I ain't have these gloves on, my nails would get messed up. This paint ain't no joke, y'all. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm going to come back. Okay, y'all, so once the two pieces dry, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to glue the head onto the tail. Okay, so I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue right here, and I'm going to come up to the tip, kind of sort of like to the tip of my piece, and just apply a nice generous amount, just about that much. And then I'm going to take my circle and place that over just like this. Okay, now I'm going to let this sit and dry, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to do the next step. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and do some more painting. So once you get your piece on and it dries, okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do a little something to the body of my my little angel, I'm going to call it. And I got two different types of paint brushes, okay, because I don't want to dip and then re-dip. So I have my colors in here. I'm going to be using the white and the blue. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my paintbrush, submerge it down in this white, just the tip of it. That's all I want. I just want the tip, and I'm just going to do just like this. And that gives it like a splatter effect, okay? And I'm gonna do it on the front and on the back, just so it can have like a little splatter effect, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the blue. To just give it just a splatter effect, just like that. Just like that. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything to the head up here at the top. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this off and let it dry once again. Okay, y'all, so once our piece dry on the front and the back, I am now going to go ahead and add a coat of this matte Mod Podge, okay? And then I gotta let it dry again. So this time I don't have on my my gloves, but as y'all know, for those of you who work with Mod Podge, you know that Mod Podge, when you put it on, it's like white and it dries clear. That's the thing, that's the one thing that I really love about Mod Podge, is when you put it on, it's white, but it actually really does dry clear. So I'm gonna put a coat on the front, a coat on the back, and then I will be back when the actual piece dries. Okay, everyone, so our piece has dried. As you can see, it still have like a glossy finish. It's dried on the front and the back. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do, we got two more things to do. We're gonna put on our wings, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to fold you're going to put pleats in this circle. So I'm just going to start putting some pleats, just folding it, just like this, trying to make sure that everything is together as I'm folding it in half. Okay. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Once you put your pleats in, it's going to be just like this. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do, we want to take our glue gun and we want to hit it with some glue to keep these pieces together, just like this. Okay. And then we want to take and put just a little bit more glue in the center. And we're going to take that and drop it right in between our angel. Okay. And we're going to put it right there. Just like that. Okay. Amen. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. And it's going to open up just like that. The wings are going to open just like that. Now, the next very last thing that I want to do with this piece is I'm going to add a coral shell. Well, it's not the last thing because I still have more that I want to do. And I'm going to add my coral shell right in the middle here. I'm going to push this up a little bit more if I can get it. Okay, so that's in place. That's not going anywhere. And I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and I'm going to add some of this Gorilla Glue right on here, a generous amount, just like this. I'm going to place that in the center right here. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry and then I will be back. Okay, y'all. So the very last thing that I am going to do with these is I'm going to add my post. I'm going to put my post on the back. I'm going to flip it this way and put my post right here. So I'm going to add a little bit more of this Gorilla Glue. Okay, that should be enough. And I'm going to place my right here. Squash it down. Okay, y'all. So here is our end results of our angel earrings. This is what they look like. This is the front. This is the back. Okay, this is different. Okay, you won't find these anywhere because you made them. All right, so I want to thank you all for taking the time out. For those of you who decided to watch this how to make DIY video, I greatly appreciate it so very much. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share it so other people can see what's going on here at LaGeorgia Creations. And if this is your very first time here on this platform, please make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that all bell button that is somewhere up or down, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And excuse me, y'all. Until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.